Now, Tavarish, you're about to see ultimate scam in action. Is also coincidentally good metaphor for American capitalism. High stakes gambling. Now, principle number 3 of con artistry will get you through this. Principle number 3 is you never take risk. Why? Because gambling is look like fair game, is look like fair chance. But you see, hereditary wealth will win this game. But the true risk taker, the true believer in capitalism, they will crash like Dow Jones. Now I peel back curtain on capitalism.
Hi, so as you may have probably guessed already, I've learned most of what I know from my uncle, and Lil Wayne, of course. But something my uncle gave me a tip on is that it's good to participate in big-time gambling games for a little extra money for investment. That's what we're gonna do.
And welcome to the Katherine Katsaros 80 Under 80 World Series of Blackjack. You have all been called here to play one very high-stakes game of blackjack. And this is a special televised event because the min at this table is all in. You've each been given a red chip that symbolizes your entire personal fortune. Today, you have the opportunity in one very small hand of blackjack to double your wealth or go straight back to the poorhouse. So, when I point to you, put in your chip and tell me precisely what it's worth.
$15 million and successful male enhancement multi-level business.
$5 million, cursed pendant, and adventure.
Ooh, a cursed pendant. I'd be curious to hear about
thick,
that.
wet,
and sir, Mr. Pfister, so honored to have you at the table.
I put up 55 years of the Pfister family fortune.
Oh, the
Pfister
family, of course, is here with us tonight in studio.
I dare you.
And for Cutthroat Calloway?
Well, after the medical bills, $15K in my kid's college fund.
All right, I don't mind that. And how about you for my beloved niece of a tycoon?
$10,000 in cash and an unloaded glizzy.
Oh! Well, I suppose it's not a blackjack game until the glizzy comes out. Yes. Well, that being said, I think we're ready to begin. The hand to beat is a 10. We'll begin with you, sir.
Oh.
Your starting hand is a 9. Your starting hand is a 20. Outrageous. The adventure capitalist wins again. 17. Whoa! Two lovely ladies. 8.
It's fine. We're in it.
And of course, for the niece of Mr. Pfister, and my favorite, in the tradition of drawing from under the deck for the final hand, we'll be giving you a king. What kind of beginner's luck is that? Who could have predicted? I certainly had no idea that was going to happen. Now, would you like to hit or stay?
Like KGB on political enemy hit.
9 turns into 19!
Remember, principle number 3, we take no risks. Stay.
And how about you, adventure capitalist?
That does look like an adventure hitting on 20, but I'm gonna stay.
All right, you know what I do when I see a 17-year-old?
What's that?
I hit that. I hit that. Yeah.
Oh!
Busted on a 17-year-old.
And sir, I believe you'll be staying with your 20.
Hit me.
You'd like to hit on 20?
I said hit me.
Two lovely ladies have noticed you from across the bar. They like your vibe. Let's find out who that third for the evening is. Mr. Calloway.
Oh, you know, sweetheart, hit it.
Absolutely, darling. 8 turns into 11.
Oh, we're hitting again.
15.
I'm gonna hit it again.
Oh, I'm sorry, darling. That's 25.
You better fucking hit it again.
You're gonna hit on 25.
Hit it again. Hit it again.
You're gonna hit on 35. You're gonna hit on 45 now? Just take the rest of them, darling. Just take the rest of them. I can't take it anymore. Now, for those of you who stayed, you with 19, you with 20. The hand to beat is 17.
There we go.
Congratulations to all of our winners. Thank you for joining us on the Katherine Katsaros 80 Under 80 World Series of Blackjack. I'll see you all on television.